In this video, we listed the 5 best sublimation printer for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson Workforce WF7720. Epson Workforce WF7720 all-in-one printer prints wide format, 13 by 19 inches, papers and tabloid size scans, copies, and faxes, 11 by 17 inches. In general, Epson models with wide format printing capabilities are valuable in and of themselves because of the increased surface area they provide for designing and printing, especially when you are looking for a starter sublimation printer that will be able to follow you throughout your learning process. A single-pass auto-duplexing automated document feeder is only one of the many high-quality productivity and convenience features this sublimation printer boasts, ADF. The WF7720 can handle more than 500 sheets of paper from a variety of sources, including two 250-sheet drawers up front and a single-sheet override tray at the back. Similar to its predecessor, the two cassettes can be arranged to accommodate media up to 13 by 19 inches, 20 sheets of quality picture paper, and 10 number 10 envelopes. The printer's dimensions of 16.5 by 22.3 by 17.8 are to be expected, as it needs to accommodate the printing of wide papers, but it also means that it requires more vertical space than comparable computers. If we're talking about durability, this printer is in a league of its own. It's entirely molded from hard plastic, making it one of the most sturdy on the market. Number 2. Lexmark MC3224dwe. The Lexmark MC3224dwe is comparable to other sublimation printers for beginners, but its high running costs and absence of an automatic document feeder limit it to home use. Due to its small size and light weight, this starter sublimation printer can be quickly and easily set up and relocated. It is very flexible as its built-in web gateway gives users access to a wide variety of features, especially for the sublimation printing technique. It is important to remember that the printer is laser-type and can print in color. The printer's 600 by 600 dpi resolution allows for sharper text and more vibrant colors while printing, so you don't have to worry about sharp graphics and text. The color prints come out evenly distributed and sharp. This multifunction color laser printer can automatically print on both sides of a page, for 250 pages continuously without jamming. We consider this to be one of the best starter sublimation printer, as it can print around 22 pages per minute in both black and color. The first page comes out in only 11 seconds, which is really quick. The printer has little trouble keeping up with such rapid printing, especially in a home environment, because of its 512 megabytes of memory and 1 GHz dual-core CPU. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The EcoTank ET2720 comes close second on our list with its speed, ease of use, and affordability. It's one of the few Epson printers that won't break your bank, which is ideal for people starting a new business. It utilizes easy-to-fill and high-capacity ink tanks and features an excellent resolution flatbed scanner and copier. You'll also save replacement ink money by up to 90% and won't have any cartridge waste. The Epson printer features excellent print quality with unique heat-free technology and vibrant colors on all paper types. As for connectivity, you can use your ET2720 over USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. As a bonus point, you can use the Epson Smart Panel application to print any image from your smart device. It also comes with voice-activated printing. Epson provides a 2-year warranty with this EcoTank printer, including replacement if the product arrives faulty. Finally, the ink that comes with this printer isn't suitable for sublimation. So before working on your sublimation printing business, you'll need to buy specific sublimation ink. Number 4. Workforce WF7210. The Workforce WF7210 takes a proud stance among printers because of its staggering features. It delivers high-quality printings with high-resolution graphics and vivid colors. This is because of the precision core technology that many Epson sublimation printers offer. On top of that, the MC3210 features a shocking 500 sheet capacity, which means you won't have to supply it with sublimation papers every other day. The inkjet printer also has a rear feed for specialty paper and 2 paper trays that can take up to 250 sheets each. As a result, it highly resembles the Epson Workforce WF-7720 in many features. Unlike many choices on our list, this Epson Workforce model allows two-sided printing. It also comes with an LCD for smooth navigation and easy setup. As for connectivity, it offers wireless printing through Wi-Fi direct connectivity. You can also use it to print images from your smart device, whether a phone or a tablet. Finally, the Workforce Sublimation printer uses high-capacity ink cartridges that allow for high-volume printing without an issue, like all Workforce printers. Number 5. Brother HL L2320D Printer. If your business is expanding fast and you need a printer to accommodate your needs at a quick speed, then the Brother HL L2320D is the one for you. Since laser printers are much faster than inkjet ones, you'll enjoy a maximum print speed of 30 ppm. As a result, you can print high volumes in such a short time. Also, this printer allows for two-sided printing, also known as automatic duplex printing. This means that you can print many designs at once without wasting paper. As for the sheet capacity, it comes with a tray that takes up to 250 sheets at once. In addition, the Brother printer produces high-quality prints with a maximum resolution of 2400 by 600 dpi. Not to mention, it features a toner save mode that'll drastically decrease your printing cost. If you're on a tight budget, you don't need to worry about the future of your sublimation printing business, as this printer comes at a pretty reasonable price.